Having a problem with pests in your home, business or property, and the strategies you've tried so far aren't working? Well, say goodbye to that frustration and those annoying pests. Here at Easy Pest Supplies, we have the widest range of pest control products in Australia, all available online. So if you have pests in your home or your business, you're at the right place. You can shop by pest, by product, by equipment, or even our range of DIY pest control kits we've specially put together to make it easy. Our range covers animal deterrents, bird spikes and netting, DIY pest control kits, sprayers and foggers, insect traps, rodent bait stations and much more. And it gets even better. We have the commercial grade quality products that the supermarkets and hardware stores don't sell, which means you can get your hands on what the professionals use. So not only do we have the widest range, but we have the most effective range right at your fingertips. Easy Pest Supplies are also proud to offer safe and non-chemical products that can be used as alternatives to chemicals and poisons. Specialty products we sell include do-it-yourself termite control kits, ultrasonic possum deterrents, possum traps, rat and mouse traps, fly traps, cockroach gel, ant bait and residual insecticides. In addition to this, we also supply pest control equipment such as bug zappers, bird spikes, application equipment such as bulb dusters, sprayers and foggers, animal traps and more. Don't just take our word for it. Companies such as McDonald's, Subway, Domino's Pizza, IGA and Qantas trust us with pest control. So that's high praise indeed. We also provide full technical support from our professionally trained staff. Email or phone us and our friendly team will offer you the best recommendations for your pest control needs to fit everyone's budget. They can also help you identify what pests you may have and the best methods of treating them. And we have you covered for postage. We deliver to anywhere in Australia for just $9.95, regardless of the size of the order. So stop wasting time and get the right gear for the job at Easy Pest Supplies.